Ciao, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sienna, your chef, and I'm going to show you how to make a super classic simple Sugo sauce. Ciao, I'm Sienna, your chef, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple Sugo sauce. This will be any of the store-bought sauces and it's super easy to make, and I'm going to show you now. Don't buy the jars from the shop. Make it yourself. It'll help me out. The ingredients you'll need for this Sugo sauce is really nice, fresh basil. No other basil will do, fresh basil. Salt, pepper, good quality olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, and some really nice tinned cherry tomatoes. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop my clove of garlic in half. The reason why we're chopping it in half and not fine is because we want to be able to fish it out at the end when our sauce is done. So now we're going to put some olive oil into our pan. And then I'm going to turn this on to a medium heat and then add the garlic in. Now put your garlic in and let that fry for a bit. You don't want to let it fry for too long so it burns, but you want to let it fry so the oil gets a taste of garlic. So now I'm going to add my tomatoes, and this is where you might want some help from an adult. So because the oil is very hot, you want to turn it down a bit before you put the tomato in so it doesn't splash everywhere. Bring it up to a simmer and then drop it down for at least 15 minutes so you can just let it cook. When you turn the heat down, now's the time to add your salt, pepper and basil. So you want 2 pinches of salt, some black pepper, and then add around 4 or 5 pieces of basil. So after 20 minutes, this is what your sauce should look like. I've lost the garlic in the pan. Oh, found it. So after a while hunting for the garlic, you can then take it out. And that's why we've done it just in half. Your Sugo is now ready to go with whatever pasta you want, but I'm gonna just put it in a nice bowl with some basil on top. Just a little bit of basil on top. And then your classic Sugo is done. This is your simple Sugo sauce and it's ready to go with whatever pasta you want. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my videos, and like always, be careful around hot equipment and sharp knives. Follow, subscribe, like and comment for more cooking videos. In the next few episodes, I'm going to show you how to make some fresh pasta from scratch. Ciao!